Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you guys an amazing trading strategy that is incredibly accurate, and can increase your account size immensely if used properly. I'm going to be explaining the rules of the strategy and the indicators used in it in detail, and we'll also go through some false signals and see how we can stay away from these, so make sure you watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any important tips and tricks. By the way, if you guys are interested in amazing free buy and sell trade, make sure to join my Telegram group, the link is in the description. So this strategy works well on many time frames such as 15 minutes, 1 hour, and even 5 minutes with high accuracy, but to be neutral let's pick the middle one, which is 15 minutes frame. I'm going to be explaining the strategy on a Bitcoin chart, and this is what your chart is going to look like when you're done setting it up. This strategy contains 3 indicators. As you can see, the first is this indicator that appears a yellow and white color above the candles. And it is the main indicator. The second indicator is the super trend indicator, which appears with a red and green line below and above the candles. The last one is this indicator, which is the slow stochastic indicator, and we will use it to confirm our signals. I'll quickly cross these out so that I can explain everything from the beginning. So in the Indicators tab we'll search for Slow Stochastic. And add this indicator by Claudino to our chart. Now we'll change its settings. So in the Input section, change the Smooth D value from 3 to 5. Then, in the Style section, change these lines to columns. This will increase our visual accuracy when confirming the signal. Now let's go ahead and search for the second indicator, which is the Super Trend indicator. And we'll add this indicator located under the technical section, and please make sure it is on the default settings, which are 10 and 3. After adding these 2 indicators, let's add our main indicator for the strategy. So in the Indicators tab, we'll search for CCI/RSI, and add this indicator, which was created by Akil. Now let's open the settings and change some style options, so that they appear clearly. In the Style section, remove these options. Scroll down and remove these 2 as well. After this, we'll change the bar's color from black to white in order to make it more visible. After all of this is done, click OK, and now our chart is completely set and ready for trading. If you also want to trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, then take a look at the exchange BitGet. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can even use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. You can find the link to BitGet below this video. In addition, you can use a 4-price layout to monitor multiple cryptocurrencies at once. BitGet is giving away a one-time deposit bonus of up to $3,999. Press the link below this video to sign up. So now let's go through the rules for entering a buy and sell trade through this strategy. Let's start with the rules for entering a buy position. First of all, we need a white candle to appear, and the super trend should be green, and also, the white candle should be above the super trend line. This is going to be our first signal to enter a buy position. After these 2 rules are confirmed, we will need a bullish candle to form after the white candle. As we can see here, a green candle is formed after the white candle. When these 3 rules are confirmed, we will look at the slow stochastic indicator for our final confirmation, and if the bar opposite to the bullish candle is green, just like it is here, all of our rules will be confirmed, and we can safely enter a buy trade after that. So as all the rules are confirmed here, let's enter the trade at this candle. We will set our stop loss slightly below the super trend line for a buy trade. And we will set our take profit target at 1.5 times the risk. And this would have been a profitable trade. Now before we go through more examples of buy trade, let's first go through the rules for entering a sell trade through this strategy. By the way, if you guys are liking this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. So for sell positions, the first condition will be the appearance of yellow candles, and these yellow candles must be below the red line of the super trend indicator. As soon as these 2 conditions are met, a red candle should appear immediately after the yellow candle, and when this red candle appears, we check the slow stochastic indicator for our final confirmation. And if the corresponding bar for this bearish candle is also red, just like this one, we enter directly into a sell position. So basically, if all these rules are confirmed, we can safely open profitable sell positions. So we will enter the trade at this candle, and set our stop loss slightly above the line of the super trend indicator. And this would have been an amazing profitable sell trade. So basically this is the strategy, and you can use this to make amazing profits and increase your account size immensely, but make sure you enter the trade only when all the conditions are fulfilled as explained. For example, we can see here the appearance of the yellow candle below the red super trend line, but when we check the slow stochastic indicator, we find that it is green, so this is a false signal and we will stay away from such trades. Here we also have another false signal, because the candle is above the super trend indicator. So whenever the super trend indicator is green, we do not look for any sell signals, and we will consider them as false signals. And whenever it is red, we will not open a buy position. By the way, if you guys want amazing free buy and sell trades, make sure to join my Telegram group, the link is in the description. Now let's go through one more example for both buy and sell trade. Here is a good example of a buy trade. We can see here we got a white candle, and it is present above the green line of the super trend. And after this white candle, we got a bullish candle. After these conditions are met, we look at the slow stochastic indicator for our final confirmation, and we can see, the bar opposite the green candle is green. So we can safely enter this buy trade at this candle. After our buy position is opened, we will set our stop loss slightly below the super trend line. And for a risk to reward ratio of 1.5, this trade would have ended in a profit. Now let's see another example for a sell trade. Here we can see we got a yellow candle below the red super trend line, after which we got a bearish red candle. And the stochastic bar below is red. So we'll get in this trade, and set our stop loss slightly above the super trend line, and for a risk to reward of 1.5, this also would have been a profitable trade, but you can see the amazing take profit ratio this could have given us. So basically that's the gist of this strategy. Make sure to backtest it yourself to understand the true potential of this strategy. I hope you understood the strategy well. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.